Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, we will be discussing the audience section of your timeline. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you are logged in from the dashboard, click on the timeline section here from the left-hand side. And then let's open the timeline. Once here, just click on the audience section. And this is where you'll see the default audiences for your webinars. We have the registrants, attendees for those who attended your webinar, and non-attendees for those who didn't attend your webinar. And this is also where you can create a custom audience. You just have to click on Create New Audience from the upper right-hand side and then indicate the audience name. So for example, click CTA and then we'll add a condition and we'll click on page view, did visit, and then you just have to enter your CTA link here or the URL for your CTA page, and then just click on save. And this is where you'll see the custom audience that you've added. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads, and feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.